All right, let's cover DEIMS and ORCIDs. ORCIDs are used by some researchers in the scientific community to identify the people who do identify globally with a unique identifier who you are. Um, the what I want to cover here is how, as an administrator of a Drupal ecological information management system, how do we add this feature? So I'm gonna share the screen and let you see what I do here. So I have this test box where what I added is a small field to the content type person. So I'm gonna go to content types person, and I'm gonna show you my fields in there. And basically I added this ORCID. I call it field underscore ORCID. It's a type text. You are gonna see that I limit this field to about the length is going to be 19 in the database. So that's how the maximum size of an ORCID is. It has 16 numbers separated by 3 dashes. So that will amount to 19. That is exactly what the limit is. I didn't put any default, of course. I put a little help here. And I also grouped this field with, if you see, I am grouping this field with the, with what? I group this field, sorry, I'm looking at the display. I have grouped this field with what is called the records. So when you add a new person, it will look like here. So there's a little help here, and here's where you put the ORCID. Okay, so it's a simple text field. You can add that to your DEIMS site by adding a text field with characteristics. Now, the other important thing is about EML. What you want to do is go to content types, person, manage display EML, or the URL is admin, structure types, manage person display EML. Basically, you want to be in manage display EML, and you just want to move the ORCID from the hidden or disabled area to the visible place. It doesn't matter the order. Now, what is important is use plain text as the formatter. Okay, plain text will ensure that it's coming out without any particular tweak. Last but not least, you are gonna go to your a file system where your Drupal codebase is, and specifically you are gonna go to the profiles, DEIMS, module, custom, EML templates folder. In there, you're gonna have the templates for EML. The one that you need to modify is the EML node person. So what you wanna do in there is add a line at the very end that says, you open parentheses and user ID directory equal to, then http :/orcid.org / and then you open the PHP and you ask PHP to render the contents of the field ORCID that we just created. This is the machine name I used. All right, so that's the last thing you need to do. The next thing it would be, well, you'll probably have to flush the cache and then see whether it works. So you would, let's just say that you would go to a data set. I created a small data set that has this person. This person has a records, and the ORCID is here. Okay, and with this ORCID, this person gets rendered in EML the way the LTR has decided that is going to be rendered, which is user ID directory equal to then the full ORCID URL, and then close parentheses. So that's basically how you want to have it. The next thing you want to do is I'm gonna create a separate video on how to commit these changes to GitHub. So now that I have how would you do it for a site that a DEIMS site that already has DEIMS installed, that's exactly the kind of the steps that you will have to do. The 3 steps: create the text field, then modify the template, and also in the manage display, move the new field from the hidden place to the active place. So 3 steps, right? Okay, so in a separate video, I'm gonna show you how to do this, how to featureize those changes into DEIMS. So a new DEIMS install doesn't need to do anything to it. It will be all ready to go. Okay, bye.